doesn't matter what has been written in your story so far, it is how you fill up the rest of the page that counts.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out.
When you buy a house, you have a lot to do. Just take your time because
And do you see you got me
and
falling in more times than I can get out.
Saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. The crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on.
hello guys, good morning. Good. Oh, my foot. My phone fell down. I forgot that I kept my phone inside my pocket. So good morning guys, it's Saturday morning, and I have some errands to run this morning. I want to really vlog this year. Like I told you guys, I'm doing my part, and you guys should play your part by watching my videos. And I'm always happy seeing you guys watching my videos and leaving comments. So today is a Saturday morning. I'm going somewhere. I'm taking you guys along. I want to go for grocery shopping, and I have some things to check on because I'm trying to like change my bedroom. Yeah, my bedroom I'm trying to change because where I am right now, where we're sleeping right now, I've said it some time ago. I don't know, maybe it's on Snap or I don't know whether it's on YouTube, but I remember I said it sometime that is long. It has been like 2 years, 3 years we moved to this place, and our master's bedroom is still there. If you guys know, when you buy a house, you have a lot to do. Just take your time because it's your personal property. You have to take your time to do whatever you're doing to put them in order. That is why I have been taking my time to like put my bedroom in order, and I'm going to take you guys along this journey why I decorate my bedroom. So that is it. So today I want to go out to check some things concerning the room. I know by the summer this year I have the plan of putting so many things in order in that room so that we can leave the room that we are right now, then move to our bedroom if that is possible this year. That's one of my budget this year, and I pray that I'll be able to execute that plan. So that is it. So today I'm going out right now to check some of the things because it says here in France it's sold. They call it sold. I want to just use the opportunity to like get some of the things that I want because you guys know we need that reduction, that little coins that will go off our purchase. We need it, even if it is 10% or 20%. We need it. It will help you in another way. I'm going out with my hubby to like check some of the things that I put in here that I want to use in that room. So that is it. I'm taking you along. Yeah guys, so this is how I'm dressed up today.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always
So hubby is calling me, let's go because we're running out of time. Yeah. And my camera almost fell down. So guys, we just arrived, and that is where we're going to that side. So we are going to check the bed that we saw. I like this mirror. It's somehow beautiful, and is, you guys see they are doing sold, and this is 70% off. It's a good day. Look at this mirror guys and see the price. Instead of this and the mirror, I like this mirror. I like this one too. This very one that has silver detail. We came to check this bed. The camera is not doing justice to this bed because the color is not showing. What a comfort. One thing I like about this, you can switch the foam if they have the one that is very hard and the one that's a little bit soft. In case you're having problem with your back, you can switch. Yeah.
Now you got me reaching out.
And there's this one.
See, you got me falling.
This one that you have that you can arrange things under. Okay. See, but this one is smaller. We need the biggest size. So, I don't know, some people prefer this kind of wooden bed. It's not for me. Anything wood, I don't so much like it. I don't know, but my hobby, I prefer wooden bed. For me, no, I prefer something sophisticated and flashy. That's me. I like flashy things. So the color is a little bit darker than what is showing right now. What is showing right now is light, but it's dark. It's not that color that is showing on the camera. The camera is not showing the real color of it. I love the color because it's something I can wash clean with water all the time. I think so when it's dirty. You guys see that this shoe rack is not expensive. It was 90 euros because they are doing sales. It came down to 75 euros. And it has another one under. This one, I don't know if they are the same price. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see the size. This one is like 3 in 1. Why this one is 2 like this? I think it's this one that is this price. This one was 90. Oh, this one is even more expensive. See, this one was 100 euros and now it's 75 euros. So if I want to take, I'll take the bigger one and the smaller size. I'll just take these two, then put the smaller one by the side. Then my mirror, like this white, I prefer this white. And this comfortable chair, I think this is good for when I'm editing my videos. It's so comfy, guys. This is so comfy, so comfy. This is really comfy. See the price of this one. That's one thing I like with sales. Things automatically drop. The prices of things automatically drop. This one was 149, which is 150, and now is 105. And this is it. I like the color because it goes with these are some of the colors that I like, very warm colors. I don't like I like colors that are really warm when it comes to home decor. So far I like the bed we came for. I like that, and I'm seeing so many things that I really like, so I'm confused right now. I don't know what I'm going to get and what I'm not buying today because I really want to take my time. I don't want to rush to put everything in order. I like the shoe rack so much. Am I going to take the shoe rack? Because I already have where I arrange my shoes. So I don't know if I'm going to take the 2 shoe rack. I'm still thinking. Let's see what will happen. I'm still thinking of what to do. So that's it. But what we really came for today to check is the bed, because the last time we came here, the guy told us that during the sales, it's sure that the price is going to reduce. But coming today, nothing has changed. It's still the same price like what we saw last 2 weeks where we came here. So I don't know. I want to go and ask them to see if there's any reduction on it or not. But if there is not, we are still going to wait. We are not in a hurry because the guy that works here told us that sometimes there are things they reduce in every 2 weeks. They bring their prices down. So that is why we waited. So we'll go. If they are saying, if they said, if we ask and they said they are not going to, there's no reduction on it, which means we are still going to wait a little while to see. If they don't, if we wait a little while, there's still no reduction, that means we're going to get it. Oh, look at how cute is this. I told you guys that things for wood, they are very, very expensive. See this now. What am I going to do with this? Just to arrange things inside, and it was 200, see, and now it's 150. Personally, me, stuff like this, they are not for me because anything wood, I don't like it. And see this bed. See this bed. I like this. Maybe when you want to relax. This is so beautiful.
Ah, pardon,
Non, vous
j'avais
pouvez
pas vu.
passer. And these at the head.
Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside?
So the price of this chair.
Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out. A last short little you've got one.
I like this quote. See this one as well.
You've got one life to live.
So what do you guys think about me adding this in my room? I like it so far. So high.
Et ça va, il est.
Il est fou, hein?
Il est
J'aime bien. I don't know, I'm thinking of getting something like this for my dining table. I don't know if I should get this or this one. And maybe I should get one of these. I like this. Let me go and look for it and see. The same thing with that other one. So guys, we are able to like place the order of everything because the things are not ready today. So we got all what we like. Everything will be ready in February ending. So that is when we're going to collect everything. And I'm so happy because we were able to make a lot of money because of the sales that is going on. So we are so happy so far about our purchase. So that is it, guys. I'm really happy today for all that we were able to purchase today, and I love the colors. I'm still trying to like put the colors together to make it look beautiful like the way I want it. All my love for you guys. So I want to show you guys something. I just found this is a share cover. You guys can see I have been looking for this for years, and see the price is 10 euros. Like they have 5 colors that you guys can see. There is black, there is a kind of gray color, there's cream color. Is it white or cream? I cannot tell. And they have ash. This is it, and this is so cool, guys. I like this. So I just showed this to you guys in case you want to cover your share, you want to change the color, you're tired of the colors that you have, your color of shares that you have, especially your dining shares, you can get this. Yeah. So guys, we are back home now, and I'm so tired. One thing with me, I like doing shopping, but when it is grocery shopping to range them, I am very, very tired. We just came back, I just dumped everything. See, everywhere. See, so I just have to range. I just received this. I received this today. I got this on my letterbox. I know what is inside, so and these are all the things I bought, guys. What I will do now, I bought this rice. It's my first time. I just want to try it. It's written basmati rice. See, I want to try this rice, so I just need to hurry up and put everything in. I bought some this. I need to hurry up to put all these things in the freezer.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?
So guys, after arranging everything, I was so hungry after that long distance, so I tried to fry my plantain and this tomato sauce. Yeah, added green pepper, yellow pepper and red pepper. I couldn't wait just to prepare this food to eat because my energy was down. And this sauce is so yummy. I added little prawns to it and that is my food. Oh, this food was life-saving. It was really life-saving. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on the subscribe button and that bell icon. Support your girl, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Kiss kiss. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.